Many people suffer from not enough sleep. They toss and turn all night long because of their snoring problems. The ways on how to stop snoring naturally are some of the most discussed topics in the world. Snoring is the loud breathing sound that results while sleeping that can keep you or your mate awake. The effect of this condition can sometimes be so loud that you can awaken your mate out of their deep sleep and frighten them. This article is going to provide you with some valuable information on how to stop snoring naturally. They are simple steps that you can implement in your life today. If you want more advice on how to stop snoring, please subscribe my channel. More lookbook videos are coming very soon. If you seriously want to know how to stop snoring and avoid sleep apnea, then please click the link in the description below. Weight loss is a huge step you can take towards being able to get a full night's rest. The heavier a person is, the more likely they are going to suffer from this condition. Studies have found that the heavier a person is, the more likely they are to snore. The reason being the soft tissues block their air passage, and that is what causes that horrible snoring sound. By losing weight, will you be able to sleep better because the problem will go away and help you get a better quality of sleep every night. It will also improve your health in many other ways. You can easily begin losing weight by watching the foods that you consume every day and beginning to follow an exercise program. Begin by exercising at least 30 minutes every day, and then if possible begin to gradually increase it. Learning different sleeping patterns can help you stop snoring naturally. If you currently sleep on your back, this may be one of the reasons that you are suffering from this condition. Lying on your back is one of the causes the soft tissues on the throat to relax, which is the reason that the loud sound is produced. Learn how to begin sleeping on your side. This can alleviate the sound. However, if you have a severe problem, chances are this will not help you. If you have difficulty sleeping on your side, tie a tennis ball to the back of your pajamas bottoms to keep you from rolling over on your back during the night. Stop sleeping on pillows, as this can produce a kink in the neck which will cause difficulty breathing and can produce that loud sound that makes it difficult to sleep. Instead of using a pillow, elevate the head of your bed about 4 inches. This should help you breathe easier, as it encourages your tongue and jaw to push forward, which will clear your airway. This differs from using a pillow because it will elevate your whole upper body and there will not be a kink in your neck. Do not drink alcoholic beverages before you go to bed. If you enjoy drinking a glass of wine or a beer in the evening, drink it at least 3 to 4 hours before you lay down to go to sleep for the evening. There are several exercises that will help you learn how to stop snoring naturally. If you are tired of tossing and turning and ready to do something about it, visit our website for some simple exercises you can begin using to help you stop snoring naturally. Cure your snoring the easy way. Discover an all-natural method that permanently eliminates snoring and gives you a freaking awesome sleep every night. Completely guaranteed. Click the link in the description below. If you like the video, then give the thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more information. I love you as I love myself. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.